we have a table of transactions and we want to extract some of the transaction from table. How we will go about it? You may think of a traditional VLOOKUP by which we can do it, right? But today I will tell you another example. Let's go about it. So we have this transaction table and there are lots of transactions up to say around 1900 data. Okay. Idea is there are some transaction numbers given to us and we have to extract the data. Generally, we'll do with Power Query. Okay. Now what I do is, let's say I write 1900, I write 45, I write 75, and say let's write 1800 as well. So when I have this data, I want this data. What I will do, I will just click on refresh all and see I got the data. Is it not miracle? Let's add more data. Say 45, maybe 90, 125, and I again do refresh all and we got the data. So this is a special way of Power Query where everything takes place in a Power Query editor. So you saw the magic of refresh. And when you do refresh, the Power Query repeats all the processes you have done. And this is the all automation in Excel. We can learn this example in 40 minutes with conceptual understanding. However, as you know, we are coming on for with Power Query retreat on the weekend. There will be the 2 days retreat with 15 hours and 8 sessions. Imagine if you join that Power Query retreat, what immense learning you will have. I will share the QR code where you can see all the name of the 8 sessions, what you'll be learning in that. What is this Power Query about? And it will change the way you work in Excel. You don't have to write the formulas. And whatever you've done the task, this is called step-by-step automation. So make sure to understand this. And surprisingly, there will be only limited seats, like 15 seats. So it will be a live interactive session. You'll be on Zoom. I'll be on Zoom. I'll explain you how to do it. And I would recommend that you have a laptop and one more screen, or you can connect with TV. So you can watch my screen on your TV and you can start doing the things together. So this will be amazing learning and we'll have lots of fun, interactive quiz. That's why it's retreat name given to it. And after 15 hours of this training, you'll be able to save hundreds of hours in coming months. The way you work in Excel will change. And I have come up with exclusive program. I will showcase you. We have come up with a LinkedIn post. And if you comment, I want to join Power Query because we'll also select 2 people from them that will be joining us as a free, no fees to them. So that will be an amazing thing as well. Total 15 seats will be there and 2 seats will be additional, which will be free candidates who comment on them. I'll do a lucky draw in front of you and we'll take out 2 names from it. So hope you will enjoy this thing. More coming about Power Query retreat, but start thinking, Google what is Power Query. You will come to know what you can learn in Power Query. And in 15 hours, I'll teach you structured learning. Generally, I teach Power Query 2 hours daily for 10 days and I charge $300 for a one-on-one training. But this time I'm coming up with a group batch that will save your money, and people who are not able to invest 2 hours on a daily basis, you can invest 2 days and you'll be able to learn Power Query. Look forward to make sure that you will join this at Power Query retreat. And this will be the best thing you can ever have. So I look forward for you. Thank you very much.